Xiaomi announced that it would unveil the Xiaomi 17T and Xiaomi 17T Pro on May 28, and Xiaomi 17T will launch in India on June 4, marking the T lineup's return to the Asian country after a long time. The Xiaomi 17T also likely to come in light blue and pink and black finishes. The device is expected to be priced at around 55,000 Indian rupees, featuring significant performance and battery upgrades. The Xiaomi 17T could run on the Dimensity 8500, while the Xiaomi 17T Pro will be powered by the Dimensity 9500 chip. It will feature a triple rear camera setup led by an OmniVision OV50E sensor. It will be joined by an OmniVision OV13B sensor and a Samsung ISOCELL JN5 sensor, handling ultra-wide and telephoto duties. There's also mention of a Samsung ISOCELL S5 KKDS sensor for selfies. The 17T might feature a slightly smaller 6.59-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. The 17T will pack a 6,500 mAh battery. The charging speed remains unchanged at 67W. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.